What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm of course gonna be trying out Soph's recent collaboration with Makeup Revolution. This is her third collaboration. I'm always proud of everything that girl does. And I had to try it out for myself, get it on my face and let you guys know my thoughts. You know the drill. So within the collection, we have two different eyeshadow palettes, a little mini one and then the Super Spice, which I'm pretty sure that one's gonna be going all over my eyeballs today. We've got two different lip kits. They both contain a lip liner and a lip balm. We've got Candy Icing and Toffee Drizzle. And then we also have three different highlighter palettes. So we have Honey Glaze, Sugar Frosting, and Cookies and Cream. I feel like Cookies and Cream, judging by the colors, I feel like that's probably gonna be the better one for me. And, oh, smooth. Yes. Yes. So we've got this guy here. Oh, these look good. This one looks really good. Okay. This guy there, shiny, shiny. And then this guy here, also shiny, shiny. I can't wait. I'm going to put it on my face now. So yeah, the packaging, as you might be able to see, is like cardboard packaging. I will say I don't really like cardboard packaging, but it's like the product wasn't made for me. It's got Soph's name on it, you know? I think the reason why I'm not that keen on cardboard packaging is because I'm a mess and I will ruin this. It has a little mirror in there. I'm gonna clip my hair back just a little bit. But yeah, well done, Soph. Soph is like, I'm just gonna climb into her ass quickly. Soph is one of, I'm actually just looking for a clean brush right now. Soph is sound. What you see on camera is exactly how she's like in person. She's great, she's nice, she's always been herself. And so that was me, just making a nice little home in Soph's asshole there. I'm gonna climb out of it. I was gonna say zip it up. I don't know how anyone let me actually have an audience and talk to you guys on camera. Basically, I'm just saying I love Soph and I'm proud of her. I'm proud, Soph, I'm proud of you. Don't make me do the emotional thing. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna go in with this highlighter shade here. Get the macro on the go. How you doing? That is really nice, actually. I wasn't actually expecting it to be that intense. I was expecting the other one to be way more intense. But that, I'm like, okay, I am glazed donut right now. Pretty sure I had sleep in my eyes for all of that. But yeah, that looks really, really nice on my skin. Like, really nice. So now I'm just gonna make sure that I dust the brush off as much as I can, just 'cause I like to use this brush about everything else. And let's do the other one. This is the one I'm excited about this one. Yeah, this one's a bit more metallic. Ooh. Yeah, I definitely think I prefer this one. I like them both, but I do think I prefer this one here. And I'm just going to blot that down ever so slightly, just so it meshes in my skin a little bit more. And this side. That's really pretty though. They're really, really nice, Soph. So I'm just gonna cover my face in the rest of it. And then today, what I thought I could do, because I was like, what eye makeup look shall I do? It is, of course, Pride Month. Happy Pride Month, my friends. And so I thought I would do a whole rainbow look, because I know there's a lot of colors in the big Soph eyeshadow palette. So let's go all out. Yeah, that highlighter's really, really nice. Bit of Cupid's bow action. Little milk mustache. Nice. So then for my lips, I'm gonna go in with this kit here. So this is the Candy Icing one. I may mix the two together, but let's just see. Okay, so it's one of the like Renaissance lip liners that I think they do. That pinky shade there. If these are lip liners I think they are, these are some of the better ones that Revolution do. I'm just gonna block my lips down a little bit more. And just fill that in. I need to wax my nose hairs, man. Just like a little bit of foundation stuck to them. I'm like, noted. Nice, pigmented, creamy. All the booty guru buzzwords. Yeah, well done. You can try and sit on my lap. Go on in. Yeah, come on. You don't look at my lap like this. Swing. Yes, we all love your nub. It's all very special. We all think it's amazing. Oh, some ears? Oh, a little nose? Oh my goodness, Michael. Wow. Star of the show. Okay, well, you can sit there, I guess, because you can sit there. Probably covered in cat hair now. Wow, amazing. Thanks so much for helping me. Okay, continue as normal. I have a cat hair on my lip. Michael's like, why are you focusing on boring makeup when I'm here and you could just be staring at me? So now I'm gonna move on to the lip balm. The lip line is nice. So there are literally ginger cat hairs flying all over the shop right now. So this is what one of the lip balms look like. So yeah, it is just a sheer tinted lip balm. Don't eat my makeup brushes. Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna pop this on my lips. I like that it's not a liquid lipstick. I find that a lot of lip kits just tend to have a liner and a liquid lipstick. And there's nothing wrong with that, but for me personally, I much prefer to use a lip liner with a lipstick as opposed to like with a liquid lipstick. That's a really, really nice product. The lip balm blending with the lip liner just creates a nice effect. It's not too much, not too heavy. Yeah, and the lip balm feels really, really nourishing as well. Cool. So now we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow palette. So like I said, we have the Mini Spice. So I believe there's some shades from the previous palettes. So this is the Mini Spice. There's shades there. Nice, nice, nice. I like the yellow. But the palette that I think we're all a little bit excited for is the Super Spice. And I like that, by the way, they've kept all the colors from her original collaboration. And here we go. Here we go. I know you already know what I'm gonna say, some of you, but I love the blues. I really like the blues. Palette's got like an interesting smell to it. I don't think it's scent or anything, I think it's just smell. But yeah, I think to celebrate Pride Month, I'm gonna do like a full on just rainbow eye makeup look. So I'll use like red, orange, yellow, maybe on one eye, and then do like the blues and purples and greens and stuff on the other. I think that's a good shout. I hope you all agree. Let's zoom you in. Come closer. A little bit closer. Hello. If you can see cat hair on my face, count them and let me know how many I have on my face. So first of all, I'm gonna go in with my P. Louise base and I'm gonna slap it all over my eyeballs. I'm trying to think which red, do the red one. This is gonna be the red eye, okay? I really like this ring on my eyelid right now. I really like that actually. Do a couple of slaps. Okay, may well make it look like a hot mess at the start. It may well look like a hot mess at the end, but I'm trying to stay positive here. But yeah, I'm basically just gonna place all the colors where I kind of want them and then blend them together after. So first of all, I'm gonna start off with the shade Sunshine. I might actually use that on both my inner corners. The yellow looks pigmented, this is good. And I'm just gonna place that on my inner corner. Well, I mean, you can definitely see that. So I'm just placing that just in there for a minute. I'm then gonna go in with the shade Cocktail. Ooh, I mean, you can definitely see that. And I'm gonna place that just a little bit further away from the yellow. Get the main bulk of the product down. And then I'll blend all of these together in a second. I just don't wanna like overblend and then make a mistake. This cocktail shade's quite nice. It's quite like peachy almost, like coral. Honestly, I haven't watched The Walking Dead in so long, but I cannot say coral without in my head going, coral! Anyone else? So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Extra Spice, which is of course the red, and that looks nuts actually. I've got full faith in this as well, because obviously I've done my makeup, like my base and everything. So I'm hoping there's no fallout. We will see. Yeah, I'm gonna put that red right next to it. I feel like this just looks like, is it the LS logo? LS, I don't know how, the sports brand, or like the BP logo. There's a logo like this, and I can't think what it is, and maybe I'll insert a picture, and maybe I'll forget. So yeah, I'm just going like that. And then the colors that I actually really want to try right now is the shade Lover, that bright pink. So I'm gonna go in with that. There's a lot of kickback on that, but it's fine. And I'm going to pop that right on the edge corner. Get it in there. And now I'm gonna kind of like go back on myself and just start to overlap everything a little bit. I just don't want all the colors to all kind of blend in with each other to the point where you can't see a gradient. So going back, literally just tapping that in, taking the orange, tiny little amount, And just blending the lighter one into the darker one. And then I'm just going to bring the yellow up a bit more. These are actually blending in with each other really nicely. The red has gone a bit more subtle, but I might be able to bring it back a bit. Nice. I love the colour of this pink. I mean, so far this is really easy to blend. Just blending out the edges there with the clean brush. Cleanish. Clean enough. I'm gonna bring it up as well, just to lift my eye a bit more. Bringing everything up. My face goes down, so I lift it back up. I feel like the red is fading a little bit, which is a shame because obviously it's like one of the brighter colours, but everything else is looking so good. And they're not too pigmented to the point where you put them on and you're just like, oh, I put way too much on. It's like, it just feels like the right amount of pigment and you can just build it up or blend it out, do whatever you want to do with it. I'm liking it so far. Really like this yellow. I'm really happy with that. And I think, I wasn't sure what I was going to do, but I'm just going to go and do exactly the same on my lower lash line, but obviously less. Okay, I'm really happy with that. There is no fallout. Really, really liking that. So then I'm also going to take a little bit of this maybe. It's like a gold shimmer. But now I'm like, should I take one of the highlighters? I don't know. I'm going to take a little bit of Mirror Ball because we're obviously using a lot of mattes today. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that onto my brow bone. Oh, that is popping actually. Just tapping. Yeah. So on this side, I'm going to go with yellow on the inner corner again. I'm going to use the green, Blue Lagoon, and then I'll use Papa. Oh God, my P. Louise base is leaking everywhere. This is what I get for not putting lids on things. Take a little bit more of my P. Louise base and slap it. I really like this sunshine colour. I feel like it's just a really nice yellow. You could do a little wash of it or you can build it up and it just looks boom. God damn it, I'm really gonna have to wash my brushes after this, huh? So I'm then gonna go in with the shade My Man. Is that what it is? My Man. And just pop that on. Ooh, that's darker than I thought it would be. It's fine. Oh no. We've got fallout, no! It's there, but I can fix it. So yeah, there was a bit of fallout on that shade. And then I'll go in with that Blue Lagoon colour. I really love the look of this Frere, I don't know. And it pains me that I'm not using it right now, but I really like it. So I'm gonna go in with Blue Lagoon. And splat that down. Oh, that's such a good colour. And then in with the shade Papa. Ooh. The purple's a little bit more sheer than I'd maybe like compared to the pink. So I'm just having to go in with it a couple times. Okay, eyeshadow is done. I like everything. The one thing I am noticing that I did have to play around with a little bit, and I'm still not 100% with it, is the purple shade, I think. It wasn't as pigmented as I maybe wanted it to be, and I don't know if you can see, the way that this blends is a lot more fluid than this bit here. And it's kind of like the purple blending into the blue wasn't really having it, but the blue blending into the green was fine. So I think it just must be kind of down to the purple shade. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some mascara. I also have these little lashes here. These are the red cherry lashes. These are in the style Stevie. They're like little 3/4 length ones. So I'm gonna glue those to the hairs that sprout out of my eyeballs and might add a couple of bits, might bronze myself up a little bit more, and then I'll show you guys the finished look. So guys, let me know what you think of this makeup look in the comment section down below. Let me know if you picked up Soph's new collection with Revolution, and let me know what you think of it. We're already a couple of days in, but again, just want to say happy Pride Month to all of my friends. If you guys enjoyed this video, as always, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more of me, because I upload all the damn time. But apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.